This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries. I'm working on their physical computing unit, and I'm working on the lesson getting properties. Let's see. Sliders. Last time, your users were only able to choose between a short and a long buzzer. Yeah, what we did in the last part of this lesson. To give the user control over the exact duration of your buzzer, you'll want to use a slider. The slider lets users choose a value between 100 and 1000 for the duration of the buzz. There's something not quite right about how it's working. Do this. Look over the code and find the bug that's keeping the duration from being set correctly. Alright. Hint. Hover over the yellow triangles for clues that what might be wrong with our code. Okay, that sounds like a hint to me. Duration is defined, but it's not called in your program. What does that mean? So to define something is to create it. We're defining a variable here. Our variable's name is duration. What does duration equal? Well, get property duration value. So what's the here's the duration. You see how this has the ID duration? So when we tell the computer, hey, and remember, we're only going to onboard event L button press. So on the circuit board, when the L button is pressed, right? On the event of the L button being pressed, it triggers this function. This function then creates this variable that represents in memory whatever get property duration, which is this. So the computer grabs this property duration and then grabs the value of it. So whatever value duration is set to is then, or the value of this property is set to is then set to the variable duration. Now, it's not called, meaning it's never used. They're saying, hey, why did you get that, create this variable? It's never used. It's a waste of space. So we're supposed to use it somewhere. Probably buzzer duration, right? That's not a variable or a thing, but we do have, if I delete the word buzzer and underscore, we do have duration. Let's give this a shot. Oh, I should probably... And then that's awesome. But and it still should go off. Awesome. Cool. Let's keep going.